I'm
about to hear that screaming.
No, go look at this. Go look in Maggie.
I just saw a peek from the bathroom.
Let's go look in this.
I saw a peek from the bathroom.
Run! Was it black hair?
Was it black hair?
It was it has to be a door.
I heard a footstep. The flashlight turned off. Let me get it. Pretend it's
Not working. There's nothing in here. Hello?
I saw the pig. We saw him peeking out of Robin's room.
Oh man, there's no power.
Come here, Lena!
I saw something in the closet! Everyone! There's it's like this big scary. It's like this big giant scary figure.
The light turns on.
Okay, good.
Oh my god. Can someone save me from this? Can someone be in front of me? Can someone be in front of me?
A ghost. Okay. Let's see if it. I'm scared. Too scared. I wish the light would go back on. The big fat scary figure is laying down. Oh, I saw something peek out of the bathroom.
What?
Was it like a big square?
No, I didn't know what it peeked out.
Oh, can I have Oh, you brought
Oh my god. That is so scary. Why is there leaf stuff?
Can I have some?
No, you have to get your own.
Yeah. This one's cherry cola, like soda.
What is that?
Tic Tac.
First it tastes like soda, then it tastes like cherry, I think.
Thank you.
Let's go see in my closet now. At first it tastes like cherry, then it tastes like soda. Wait! Where's the flashlight? We need the flashlight! I like this. I like these Tic Tacs.
Did you guys eat anything yet?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay. Let's go in there. Oh, sorry.
Okay. I heard something.
Okay, is it coming from here?
It's coming from.
Is it me or is this big fat figure moving? That thing was just standing up. Oh! Run!
The big fat figure moved. The big fat figure moved. You don't actually have to peel this top off.
Oh. Go away. Go.
A big fat figure. Of course, a Tic Tac fell out of my mouth. The power's back a little. Hi! Hi! Let's close this and see what happened. Okay, let's move. Run now. Okay, she comes out.
Can I try one with you? Yeah. I would love that. Can I try one of yours? Yep. I never tried this before. Oops, I did too much.
I want
I'm
strawberry.
gonna have this one and put all the green ones away. No.
Wait, do you hear that? It's coming from my room.
Come on.
We need to go in this closet. We're together. Your generator's out. Hi! Let me tap. Ah! Ah! He made a sound.
Oh my God. What is this? Anything?
I'll have a click. Ghost, we just want to help you. Just show yourself.
Yeah.
Show yourself. If you're not going to show yourself, then you know what? Leave me alone. Let's go in there. Hi! 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 When I say hi, he keeps making clicks. Haunting. I say hi. I hear a click. Every time I say hi, I hear clicks.
Okay, so that's a problem. Slow down. Not a race. See as many Tic Tacs as you can, okay? Let's just go. Go play.
Can I record this, okay?
Goodbye.
But don't turn it off.
Girl, for Christmas.
Okay.
My hands are already up clean.
in the bathroom.
My hands were already clean.
Okay, then you're good.
Me too.
Okay. I gotta clean. You gotta leave me alone for a second. Love you. Love you guys. This house is a disaster.
working. I'm washing my hands in the dark. Are you watching? It doesn't really have a smell. The power's back, but you still have your. No. Let's go. Hey. Hi. Hello? Make a little sound. Oh, let's go see. Oh, there he is. Oh, he's not in here.
Can you hear us? How did this open?
It must be behind here. Oh man, I see something. This thing's dead.
Oh, you okay?
Yes, raise a boom boom. No! Boom! Run, let's go! Close the door. Let's close the door.
Hello, guys.